Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening a duplicate of your photo so you never overwrite the original. Choose an AI-powered tool with an in-paint or erase mode. These predict surrounding pixels. Next, zoom to 100% and roughly mark the text with a soft brush. Use a slightly larger brush than the letters, so context is preserved. Once done, set strength to 70–90% for the first pass, because aggressive removal can blur detail. This gives the model enough data to reconstruct backgrounds correctly. Now refine the area by working from coarse to fine. Run the initial in-paint pass, then switch to smaller brushes for edges and letter remnants. You want to sample nearby texture or color, so toggle the tool's fill modes. Texture first, then color, then structure, to match grain and lighting. Make sure to work in short, controlled strokes. If the AI generates repeating patterns, undo and try a different sampling area. This layering approach preserves realistic depth and maintains natural shadows. Finish by blending with clone and heal tools. This seals small artifacts and aligns texture. After that, adjust contrast, add subtle grain, and match color temperature so the edit becomes invisible. If you still see artifacts, reduce AI strength and resample a closer patch, or switch to manual cloning for stubborn spots. Finally, compare with the original at different zoom levels. If something looks off, step back, redo the problematic area, and save incremental versions so you can roll back if needed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.